G'day, here's a piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. It's got nice dark base on it, so you should get a nice bright colours out of it. Disappears inside there, so it's a bit more of a gamble how much of that is opal. But that's what you've got to do, is cut or grind around until you get a colour bar generally, or you could face it down. Resting blues and greens there. It's not very expensive because it's not a very big stone at the end of the day. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.